Hey guys, it's Brandon back with a brand new video, and as you guys saw in the title of this video, this is my first budget PC build on this channel. But before we get into this video, just keep in mind that the prices change from time to time, and all the prices that I state from this list are from Amazon.com. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the CPU, I went with Intel's i3-6100. The reason I chose this CPU is because I wanted something fairly new at this moment, and this CPU uses the new socket 1151. This CPU is roughly around $117. But having a fairly new CPU means I had to find a cheap motherboard compatible with it. So I went with MSI's H110M Pro VD. This motherboard cost about $58. For the RAM, this was simple. I went with HyperX Fury DDR4 edition, and I'm getting the 8GB for around $35. For powering all of this, I used EVGA's 500 watt power supply, which came in around $35. For the hard drive, I went with Western Digital's 1TB HHD, which came in around $48. And now, for the major part of the video, for some of you guys were waiting desperately for, or patiently, anyone. The graphics card that I will be using for this build is the MSI GTX 950 Ti OC. If you guys didn't know, OC means overclocked. This card cost around $130. For the case, I went with Corsair's Carbide 100R mid-tower case, and this was about $45. So the cost of everything on this list came up to around $468 US. I know this is not the best, but it can get the job done. If you are using this PC for gaming, it runs most games at an average 55 to 60 FPS on high or medium settings. It all depends on the game that you are playing. Editing and rendering are at good speeds, at okay speeds, good speeds. On average, around 2 minutes rendering for a 10-minute file. That's not bad at all. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like down below. The links of all these parts will be in the description below, but just remember that the prices for these parts change from time to time. So anyway guys, thanks for watching.